Alright guys, I am calling it. The stock market rally is over. I'm saying it's over, and I'll tell you what I think that means for the next week and a half. Hi guys, Bon here, and today I'm going to be talking about why I think the stock market rally is over. I'll be talking about specifically Boeing, the airlines, and the cruises, and all the travel destinations. See how they are, because I think they are a very good representation of what the market thinks of the economy. We all know that the market doesn't think anything of the economy because it just doesn't care, but the investors kind of care about the economy, because it's shown in the stock market. And so we'll be going over that, and then I'll be going over what I think is going to happen within the next week or two, because realistically, nobody really knows what's going to happen more than a week from now. I mean, everything is just so crazy right now in the stock market and in reality too. And as always, if you guys like the content, please help me out by clicking the like button. It would really help out my channel for the YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much, and let's get going. Okay, so first things first, Federal Chairman Jerome Powell said that there would be no more rate hikes likely through 2020. Projects 6.5% GDP contraction this year. So basically, the whole country waited for Jerome Powell to come out and say that we are changing absolutely nothing from now till the end of 2022. Yeah, that's pretty much basically what he said. And just to show you guys how important that statement was, okay, let's look at the stock market. The stock market, I think it ended somewhere around here yesterday. And then the whole day today, okay, was red. Right? It was negative, and then boom. This was when they made the announcement, right? 2 p.m. right here at 2:01, the stock market shot up like crazy. And this happened throughout the whole stock market. It's very, very funny. Now, if you guys watched my last video, you guys would know that currently I am heavily invested in gold because I am so shaky about the stock market. Okay? The stock market is just like crazy wild to me. So I'm investing into gold, not the actual bar gold, the stock of the company who makes gold or who mines gold. No one makes gold. Now, what is really funny is that throughout the whole day, gold here, it started up, okay? It started positive in the beginning, but then boom, it just went negative like crazy. It was like negative 1 to close to 2.5%. And then you can guys see here at 2:01 within 13 minutes, it went up to a positive because of the announcement of Federal Chairman Jerome Powell. Now, the question is why? Right? Why did the stock market go up right after the announcement that Jerome Powell makes? And why did both gold and stock went up? Because on average, gold usually spikes up when the stock market is down, when the stock market is uncertain. That is when gold has most of its spikes. But why did the stock market go up like crazy and then gold also went up like crazy? My answer to that is that people are just very irrational. Right? Investors, especially investors, they are very, very irrational. Okay, so now let's get back on the topic. Why do I think that the stock market rally is over? Okay? So let me clear something up. When I say that the stock market rally is over, I mean that it probably won't go up within this week or within even next week. My guess is that it'll probably stay flat or go down a little bit. I'd say probably 1 to 2% by the end of the week. Probably 1 because there's only 2 days left, but probably 1-ish% by Friday, by the end of Friday. So now, what am I basing it on? I am basing it on the airlines, the casinos, and the cruises. So let's take a look at them. Okay, so first off, let's look at Boeing. Right? Boeing currently right now, it is down 5%, a little bit over 5%. Yesterday, it was down roughly about the same amount. Now, Boeing is not the airline, so let's look at some airlines. This is United Airlines. United Airlines is down 10% today. United Airlines is down 10%. That's a lot. American Airlines is down 7%. Delta Airlines also down 7%. Southwest Airlines, the strongest out of all the airlines, is down 2%, close to 2%. So not bad, not bad. Cruises, Carnival down 9%. Royal Caribbean down 7.8%. Norwegian Cruise Lines down 13%. Dang. Okay. Now, let's look at MGM casinos, because casinos just opened up this week. Okay, they are officially open. They officially opened on Monday. So right now it is down 6%. It was also down around the same amount yesterday. So it hasn't been very good for them. So it hasn't been very good for them. But it did have a very, very good rally last week, or the past few weeks. Las Vegas Sands down 3%. Wynn also down 3%, 34%. Okay, now, so why am I showing you guys this? The reason why I'm showing you guys this and how it relates to the stock market rally being over is that these travel destinations and these really, really cheap stocks, they are a representation of what investors think of the economy is, or of what the market is and where the direction is going. Obviously, this isn't always the case. And of course, during the pandemic, the airlines had a very, very tough time starting to go back up. But now that they are, most people are thinking that the airlines, the cruises, and the hotels, they are all overpriced. And so they are scared and they want to take their money out. Because of that, the stock market is probably going to be flat. Now, why am I saying that the market is flat if I think that everyone's going to be taking out their money? This is because of this guy, NASDAQ, okay? All-time high, it's up 0.9%. Darn NASDAQ, yes, I'm being too much of a bear right now, because, yeah, a good job on the tech stocks going up. Yeah, but I do think that the tech stocks are very overvalued. Tesla just broke over $1,000, so pretty crazy. Good for them. But the main reason why the S&P hasn't fallen down as much as it should have is because of tech stocks. Yeah, 5%. And the FANGs, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Okay? Those 5 companies, and Berkshire Hathaway or something, though 5 companies represent 20% of the assets of the S&P. 20%. So those very, very big tech companies are holding up the S&P 500, and they are leading the charge for the stock market rally. So because of those big tech stocks and because of their heavy influence on pretty much the S&P and all the indexes, it is kind of hard. It is kind of hard for the stock market to drop again. Even if everything else drops, if the tech stocks are up, they will probably be okay. They'll probably be even. So I do think that the stock market rally is over. I do think that people are trying to take out their profits. I do think that people are cooling their heads down a little bit. But tech stocks are still very, very strong. They are recession-proof. They are pandemic-proof. They're just crazy. But with them holding it up, it is unlikely that the stock market index will fall too much. I think it'll fall. I think it'll still fall like 1% by Friday. Probably 1%, maybe less. So it's still very, very shaky. So be careful. Be careful about that. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And besides anything else, be careful in the stock market right now. Right? Just because the stock market is flat, it does not mean that it won't go down, and it does not mean that it won't go up. It very well could be. But be careful out there, and I wish you guys the best of luck. And if you guys like my content, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, okay? I would very, very much appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of August, okay? End of August. Let's do it. I think we can do it. So, thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.